Hey, mama, quick chat.
Oh my god!
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Guys, so that's the good. Hello. So my just pull up my ears today and I'm feeling to do an Afro vlog like so guys, I know it's been long. I like off my something that the might just lock off from my chat. Who's it's back to the rescue. Hello. So in the back to the rescue. Yes, it's back to the rescue. So guys, as I was saying earlier, I felt to do an Afro vlog. It's not exactly an Afro vlog. It's basically me telling you guys how my 2026 is going, how it started, and how it's going right now. And it's the end of the month, so I'll probably name it like January Diaries or January flashback, January recap. Yeah. So before we get into this amazing video, a moment out from my afro, like guys, I don't think you'll understand. I don't think I'll understand. Like I don't think I'll understand when I say like afro. Hello. So I just put up my ear as I said earlier, and yeah. So guys, before I get into the video, as I was saying earlier, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share the video because banger videos are coming soon. Anyways, this video is practically for my gyms because I know that outsiders are not going to click on this video. But if you're an outsider and you have clicked on this video, let me know down below. And guys, by the way, I'm gonna start the comments shout out. So y'all can comment on my videos because I'll shout y'all out. Hello. So I'm probably put probably put comment shout out in this video. So stay tuned and watch, okay? So guys, I started off the New Year's fabulously. God wake me up in the morning. In fact, I did already wake up in the New Year's night. What I did was just let I go outside by myself. But did see two fireworks, so I'm go there myself because yeah, I'm the outside upon live. And if y'all are not following me on TikTok, go over TikTok and follow me on TikTok. Okay, this name on all platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, you name it. Yeah. So yeah, I went outside and yada yada yada. On the first, I stayed inside. Yeah. So other events took place, which is I went to the dentist. Y'all saw that I went to the dentist. When I went to the dentist, y'all know what happened? No, I did go to the dentist, and then when I come back from the dentist, them did give me one extra for the but I never did get for the extra that same day. So I never did go to school on Monday, and I got the extra, and then went back to the dentist. When I went back to the dentist. When I got a dentist after my PS, guys, my PS $6 for the extra pan all the 5 teeth them give me $6,000. Okay. And if you want to say, oh, I know money that I will pay money. Time hard, I will pay money that. So I spend $6,000 for the extra pan, the 5 teeth them in my mouth. The 5 teeth with them select for go do extra pan. Guys, I'm done. Me not extra place. And I don't know if you never do extra on teeth them and them give you something for bite down pan. And I tell me for bite it down kite naga guys, when some them bite it down, feel like something cut through my gum, all tears come my eyes. Tears. And she have to do it over 2 times. I know so she upset, but lady, hello? My mouth is very fragile. I cannot bite down and tough things. And the dentist tell them so I can't eat bone. I can't eat cane. Me love so much. I love cane and I can't eat cane. I can't eat nothing tough. So yeah. So when I come from the dentist, no, when I come from the extra place, I did go home. Yeah. And then next time now I'm go to the dentist to get them the extras by myself. Mind you, I went to the dentist by myself. My mom wasn't there, my dad was there. So when I go now, I get extra. Sit down out there for a while. The lady come back and say, oh, everything is fine, everything is okay. Me I said thank you Jesus, but although me did upstairs, my paid was 6 grand. I don't know if I paid 6 grand, but I still a fret. I say what wonder what do my teeth wonder rate it, hey. Understand me? So after that no left the dentist. I never I could got I'm uniform, I was in my uniform and me I say I forgot school but after 10 so I say alright then me take the taxi past my school I'm a me I go down to my taxi now. When me I go down to another the taxi, guys, the taxi crash. The taxi crashed with me, you know. Mm-hmm. That's what happened. The taxi crashed with me in it. I I did so traumatized. Like my did when the basically what happened was the taxi made in a drive, well, a stoplight. So then my drive off now. Then the car like basically the lane, yeah, and one lane there so as well. The car panda lane, yeah, then my drive and the car turn in the taxi, so the taxi fly go over there so and the car turn and drive a continue drive. I mean I say guys I was like so shook comedy all on my phone. And my foot at up, My foot at up guys, like my foot I give me problem from then but the blood of Jesus against that my band up in the name of Jesus. Hello. So after that, oh, my just look some nice storage. But anyways, after that, um, then I taxi. Then I taxi. You know, them have to take the papers, them take the picture. And thanks be to God, everybody was okay in the taxi. Yeah. We were sitting in the taxi and then the driver come out and them take the picture, them the license, whatever them take that. Mm-hmm. And when they took that, the man come back in the taxi now. No, the man never come back yet. My phone start ring now. Phone start ringing an unknown number. My phone start ring unknown number. Mind you, guys. Someone say alright then. Me I can answer. Cause public place call people with unknown number. Answer. Hello, good morning. Is this Miss Yada 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 Yada? And someone say yes, good morning. After me did the traumatized, guys, me did the traumatized out of my life. I'm really traumatized and I saw me I look through the window. I'm on the phone. Until when I point them at one point the doctor say, are you hearing me? I'm say yes, miss, I hear you. So she had tell me say me for come back. Fee a review. After me just left the dentist guy, she had tell me say me have to go come back for a review. Tell me no. Are you not doing your job, love? Are you not doing your job? You're not your job? But anyways, it wasn't when I went back, it wasn't nothing serious. When I went back the said day, but when I went back it wasn't nothing serious. And Mr. Check Panity up my tail at me and they shave it down a little bit and put a little filling around in other yeah because I never want to catch cavities. So yeah, and then we get a referral, yada. If I take up wisdom teeth them, then I start great, but them say it ain't my problem because I'm more small. So yada. So yeah, take off that. After that, no. Yasa JVSB, Yasa TV Jamie. Hello. Yasa JVSB, Yasa TV Jamie. Hello. So yeah, I know y'all enjoyed the performances because anyways, and I got see it in the comment shout out because I'm definitely gonna do the comment shout out. Yay. Into TVJ performed live on Smile Jamaica. Yeah, I did not post a video about JBSB audition round. It wasn't really audition, it was just them coming to hear how the band sound and yada. So I never did feel the need for post that and all. After that, what else? Orals, guys. I had to do my orals, like English orals. If you're a high school student, you know about orals. Hello, guys. Must study till my week. Study till my week. Although, I did have this, my been have this, come here, chat box. As you can see, my love chat, my chat like, my nana sent. I just have bust in the ear, so. No, Sania. You there. Anyway, so, guys, the oral when me in the room now, me do the oral and me say hello, good morning. But you know what you want me have guys? Before I start oral, them start ask me question about what in I'm overview. You know what me did a plan for do? Me did a plan for go in there. Them say, you may begin. I'm just start. Them start ask me question. The lady say, what are your three artifacts? So me start name of the title. Them she said, no, that's not what I mean. I mean if you're doing a poem or whatever yada yada. Someone tell her what me I do it. Hey. She say, you may begin. And then it was the VP did that also in the room. So she say, Mufu, start and she just start the timer. So me start now. Hello, good morning. My name is yada yada yada. I'm from yada yada yada. My teacher's name is yada yada yada. I'm focused on the team topic ready today. Ready for the artifacts them now. Start name of the title them guys. When me start the first title, me start say something in the middle of the letter me I say shit. So me I wonder what for us. So just play it off cool and start and just continue. I say whatever the foolishness I say and then we start to the rest of the artifacts name the message. Jesus Christ. Because like when time you remember something, I just trigger something in your brain, like like somebody say a word and you just remember something about that word automatically come like that reach me. I'm just start talk. But anyways, I went along, I talked, my chat until the VP say, you have gone 4 minutes. So me I say, I tell him to chat too much. So
Did you stop to pray?
me I look at him and say, miss. And then the other teacher say, no honey, continue. No continue. But me kind of mess up Mr. Kada, they kind of throw me off. And it was the ending as well. So not really irritating. And then, so it's like a cut off again. Just gonna delete more things. Anyways. And then as I was saying, guys, they had an earthquake scare or some patchual, some earthquake awareness something. Yeah, where they have the kids practice what to do for earthquake, yada yada yada. Ring at the decks, got the doorway or something, and then go to the field for safety, whatever. Guys, it did. I guess. I don't know. I just never my type of, but nonetheless, I still videoed and mega clip that in the probably the end of the video, as I say. And yeah, I'm gonna do the comment shout out. I think no. Hold on. Anything else? Anything else? Oh yeah, guys, I performed downtown with the choir, with the school choir. I performed downtown at the park. I don't know the park name, but in the park they was keeping a salute to Kingston thing. Yeah, and I performed there. I'm not sure if they'll be posting any videos, but yeah. All I gotta do is live right. I live the way he says. I can call him in the morning. I can call him in the middle of the night. And guys, let's get into the comment shout out. So the first comment shout out goes to, first of all, I want to pick up this person because that person I must see them and almost all of them, and I really love and appreciate you, girl. Like, girl or boy, I don't know, I'm not sure. But Kaylee Naspal 3638 or Cali, I don't know, but you know all your name pronounced, right? But she said, hey people in this chat, big up me, I love this video. Thank you, girl. Big up you too, and big up me as well. Hello, and welcome to the gem community. I realized that I recently started watching me, and I really appreciate all the love that you've been giving me. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate all the love from all my lovely supporters, my 500 family. Hello. So yeah. Also, Paul Spence real. Him say, I would there. Well, after a while, they come from lol. Sir, first up, sir, what I was doing was, we did I try, no, get the irony skill them in the. We ain't gonna talk about that. We ain't gonna talk about that. But big up and shout out to you for commenting under the video. Hello. Oh, famous that Moisha. She said, where you use edit ma. So honey, I use CapCut. I also use Canva. Um, yeah, use CapCut and Canva. That's what I use edit. And I know my edits are tea, but from where I'm putting my fall off, I'm gonna get back into the tea. Hello, actually, I've been busy, guys. I'm gonna hurry up and give another video then because I realize I'm not really consistent, but I'm trying. And if you all have any YouTube ideas, no, like an idea on what when I want to see a girl do, just let me know and I will do it. Let me know and I will do it. I will come through. Hello. So, guys, the quote of the day is all our dreams will come through if we have the courage to pursue them. And this is telling us that once you put your mind, what is that? Once you put your mind to something, you will achieve it. Once you believe in yourself, you believe in a God, you believe the faith can move mountains, you can do it. Nobody make nobody feel like say, but tell us say, oh, don't do this. Anybody will do that? Girl, they're not good for you. Remove them from your life. Listen to me. Once you feel comfortable in doing something and you feel like you have made the right decision, make choices that fit your vibe and values. Believe me, do and do it. Great. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and tell a friend for tell a friend. Then near a drop banger videos for the rest of the 2026. And she's gonna be here permanently, not just for a period of time. Hello, love y'all. Mwah. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and also like up my Snap. I mean, I know I'm gonna really use Snap, but if you wanna go for there, I'm over there as well. Mwah. Love you all. Bye, gems.